Hi. Okay, now I'll be helping you out with know exactly how to make sure that your articles come to Google first page pretty soon. Okay. Now look, I am working on WordPress blog, and to start up with, you must have this plugin called SEO Pressor. You can see here SEO Pressor. You gotta have this plugin. Okay, you gotta have this plugin. Some basic settings you got to do, and okay, before you start up. Now, once you've done the basic settings, there's no, which are very simple settings. You start now. I'll just take up with the stage from where you're starting to write an article. Okay. Now let me say, for example, you're writing an article on YouTube. Okay. Now, naturally, the key idea for your article is YouTube. So have a look at this. This is your main keyword for the article, which is YouTube. Okay. Now, this is the first step that you got to do. After once you installed SEO Pressor, you've got to come down and you've got to enter the keyword of your article. Okay, excuse me. Now once you've done that, there are three things you got to do with the keyword. You got to create three headings containing the keyword. Okay, see, the minute you click this keyword and then you get down here and you click save, of course, because mine is already published article, you can't find save here, but if you're not published, you can find your save here. Okay, so once you click your save button, you can find your keyword here. Okay, now pretty simple. You got to enter your first article here, first heading, sorry, your tag head as it's called, which contains your keyword. Now once you do that, you got to select the font type. Okay, as heading 1, right? You can see here, this is heading 1, this paragraph for the rest of the article. Okay, contain the keyword YouTube. Come down, you've got the second heading, once again contain the keyword with the font type heading 2. You can see here you have H2 tag. Okay, similarly you got to create a third heading, once again containing the same keyword. Okay, with the heading with the font type heading 3. Okay, so it will show you have H1 tag, H2, H3. Suppose, let me say, you don't have the keyword. Okay, let me say, for example, I'll just cut it and update it. See, it's showing you, I removed that, I cut it just 2 minutes before, right? So it's showing you don't have the H3 tag containing your keyword. Fine. So you have the SEO Pressor on its own will help you to make these corrections. Okay. Now, excuse me. This is the second part. Third part is that you have to include images in between the article. Okay, one image and then two, include two or three also, depending on the length of your article, to make your article readable. Okay, and the third thing you have to do is you have to also create a link to different articles within your own site. Preferably, if you are, let us say, an affiliate, you can create a link for an external link also, not a problem. Just select the text whatever you want to, get in here. You can if you want to select articles in your site, just click this heading, this arrow, sorry, just come down, select whichever title you want to take, whichever article you want to take, and you can just click on it and then update. That's it. Okay, now you can also select whether to open the link in a new window or tab. It's up to you. Fine, because I've already done it, I'm not editing that part of it. Okay, so pretty simple. Now there are only three things you got to do. First, you got to define your keyword for the article, and then you got to create your three headings in between the article. On the head, the first sentence of the article should contain your keyword. the first tag, sorry, rather the second tag or the second heading in between the article also should contain your keyword, and almost towards the end can be a paragraph before the last sentence, before the ending. Okay, you can have another heading with your keyword, right, with the font type H3. Okay, and also remember the last sentence should contain your keyword, the last sentence of your article. Okay, if you can have it as a heading, nothing like it. Okay, once again here make the font type as heading 4, right? Then this is about the keywords. Then the second thing is about having include images just to make your article lively. Okay, and the last thing is about having links. Okay, now have a look at the post here. Now you see the post looks readable here. Okay, that's the most important thing. Okay, that's the most important thing for any article, right? And then you got, of course, include the tags, the keywords. Easy way to make money. I just click it because it's another article in my own site, it's going to the other article, right? So it's pretty simple. Now just get out to getting your article to Google first page by installing SEO Presser plugin, and follow the suggestion, follow the tips that I gave you, right? All the best.